Hi all, welcome to our class. In this class, we are going to study trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. We have to study trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. First one is trigonometric ratios of angle 45. So we are going to find 45 degree angle of trigonometric ratios, that is sine 45, cos 45, tan 45 and cosec 45, sec 45, cot 45. So first I am going to consider a right triangle. So right triangle ABC, right angle HB. So angle B is 90 degree. AC is the hypotenuse, then AB and BC are the other two sides of the triangle. So triangle ABC, right triangle ABC, we are going to take these two sides are equal. So consider these as a isosceles right triangle. Isosceles triangles means two sides are equal and the base angles are also equal. So isosceles means two sides are equal, then the base angles also equal, or the equal side and the angle opposite to that side also equal. So this is 90 degree. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So total angle is 180 degree. One angle is 90 degree. So these two angles are equal. So this is 90 degree. This sum of this also 90 degree and both are equal. So we can say that both are 45 degree. Isn't it? This is 45. This is 45. Both are equal because this is a isosceles triangle, then this is 90 degree. So total is 180 degree. So the angles are 45 degree. Here also 45 degree. Here 90 degree. And these are isosceles triangle. So base angles are equal and the side opposite to these angles are also equal. Which means I am going to take this as A. This length as A. This is also A. Isn't it? This is isosceles. These two sides are equal. These two angles are also equal. So I take this side as A. This also A. So we have to find angles of sine A, which means sine A is 45 degree. So we are going to find sine 45 degree. So we know this side, but we don't know the hypotenuse. So first we have to find the hypotenuse. So we have the formula. AC square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So AB square, AB is A, so AB square means A square plus BC also A, so BC square means A square. So AC square is equal to A square plus A square. Therefore AC square is equal to A square plus A square to A square. Therefore, AC is equal to root 2 A square, which is equal to root 2 A. So, we got hypotenuse AC as root 2 A. So, we got hypotenuse as root 2 A. Now, we are going to find trigonometric ratios of angle 45 degree. We are going to find the trigonometric ratios of angle 45 degree. So, first I am going to write sine A. Sine A means here 45 degree. Angle is 45 degree. So I am going to write sine 45 degree, which is equal to. Also our formula, sine of an angle A is opposite side by hypotenuse. So here we are considering this angle. So opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So sine 45 degree is equal to BC by AC, which is equal to BC is A, AC is root 2A. Root 2A. So, sorry, root 2A. AC is root 2. We can cut A and A, here 1. So, 1 by root 2. So, we got sine 45 as 1 by root 2. So, first we found sine 45 is equal to BC by AC, which is equal to 1 by root 2. Next, cos 45. cos 45 degree is equal to, what's the formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side AB by hypotenuse. Yes, AB is A and AC is root 2A. We can cut A and A. We also got 1 by root 2. So cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Next one is tan 45. Tan 45 degree is equal to, what's the formula? Opposite side by adjacent side. That is BC by AB. Opposite side by adjacent side. So BC by AB. BC is A and AB is also A. A by A we can cut 1. So answer is 1. So we got tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So we found sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. And tan 45 degree is also 1. Then sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2 means cosec 45 degree. What will be cosec 45 degree? We know cosec is the reciprocal of sin. So sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore cosec root 45 is equal to reverse. That is root 2 by 1 or simply root 2. So reverse of sin is cosec. So 1 by root 2 means root 2 by 1. So answer is root 2. Sec 45. Sec 45 degree is equal to, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So reverse of cos 45 is sec 45. So sec 45 is equal to root 2 by 1. That is also root 2. What about cot 45? Cot 45 degree is equal to reverse of reciprocal of tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. So cot 45 degree is also 1 by 1, 1. So we found the trigonometric ratios of angle 45 degree. Sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree is all 1 by root 2. Tan 45 degree 1. Cosec 45 degree is equal to root 2. Sec 45 degree is equal to root 2. And cot 45 degree is 1. Let us discuss trigonometric ratios of angle 30 degree and 60 degree. We have to study angles of 30 degree and 60 degree. So I am going to consider an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC. We know the three sides of an equilateral triangle are same. So I am going to take this side as 2A, this also 2A, this is also 2A. AB is equal to 2A, BC is equal to 2A, and AC is equal to 2A. Now I am going to draw a perpendicular from A to D. Draw a perpendicular to A to D. So this is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. So we got two triangles. Triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Triangle ABD and triangle ACD. So here AD is common. Then this is the right triangle. The perpendicular bisector is AD. So this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So this is 2A. This is also 2A. We know that triangle ABD and triangle ACD are congruent. Triangle ACD are congruent. This is the right triangle ABD and right triangle ADC are congruent. So we know that these two triangles are congruent. Other thing is that this is an equilateral triangle. So we know that this is 60 degree. This is also 60 degree. So this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So these two triangles are also equal since corresponding parts of common triangles. So angle BAD is equal to angle CAD, and also BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. So we have two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ACD, both are congruent, and also these two angles are equal. So this is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, and this is 30 degree, isn't it? This is 90 degree, this is 60 degree, so this is 30 degree, this is also 30 degree. So angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Therefore, BD is equal to CD. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So BD is equal to CD. So BD is equal to CD is equal to, the total is 2A. So BD is equal to CD is equal to A. Total length BC is 2A. Therefore, BD is equal to half of BC. Half of BC is BD. Therefore, half of BC equal to BD equal to CD is equal to A. So we got this as A. This also A. Now we are going to define 30 degree and 60 degree. So this is 2A. This is A. Now I am going to consider this triangle. Okay. Triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. Now we are going to define angle 30 degree and angle 60 degree. So this is 2A, this is A. This is a right triangle. So this is hypotenuse, this is base. So we have to find the length of this side. So AD square is equal to this is the length AD, that is the altitude of that triangle. So triangle ABD, AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. AB square minus BD square, which is equal to AB square is 2A square minus BD square is A square, which is equal to 4A square minus A square, 3A square. Therefore, AD square is equal to 3A square. Therefore, AD is equal to root 3A. Square root of root 3A square, square root of root 3A square, so root 3, square root of A square. A. So, AD is equal to root 3A. So, we can easily define trigonometric ratios. So, I will say once again, an equilateral triangle, the length of each side is 2A and each of angle is 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. So, we draw a perpendicular bisector. So, perpendicular to D. Therefore, we got 90 degree. So, 60 degree. So, this angle is 30 degree. Here also, this angle is 30 degree. These two triangles are congruent, so these two sides are equal. So the total length is 2A. Therefore, BD is A and CD is also A. Now we are going to define. Now we also found the length of longitude AD using Pythagoras theorem. Now we define sin 60. Sin 60 degree is, this is 60 degree. We are going to find sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree means opposite side by hypotenuse, isn't it? Hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin 60 degree means opposite side. AD by angle 60 is this. Therefore, opposite side is angle AD by hypotenuse AB. We are considering this triangle, this right triangle. So AD by AB. AD is root 3A and AB is 2A. So we can cut A and A. We got answer is root 3 by 2. So sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. What about cos 60 degree? Cos 60 degree is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So for angle 60 degree, adjacent side is BD. BD is A by hypotenuse 2. We can cut A and A. Answer is 1 by 2. Now tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to adjacent side by opposite side by adjacent side. Therefore root 3A by adjacent side A. So we can get A and A. Answer is root 3. So we got sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2 and tan 60 is equal to root 3. What about cosec 60? Cosec 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 is sin 60. Therefore, cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of sin is cosec. So, root 3 by 2 is sin 60. Cosec 60 is equal to 2 by root 3. What about sec 60? Sec 60 is equal to cos 60 is 1 by 2. So sec 60 is 2 by 1. That is 2. 2 by 1 means 2. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Therefore, cot 60 is equal to reciprocal of root 3. That is 1 by root 3. So we found sin 60 as root 3 by 2, cosec 60 2 by root 3, cos 60 1 by 2, sec 60 2, and tan 60 1 by tan 60 root 3. Therefore, cos 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. So we found angle of 60 degree. Now we are going to study 30 degree. So we also considering this triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. We are going again considering triangle ABD. We are going to find the measures of 30 degree. So sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree means opposite side by hypotenuse. So this is opposite side A. For this angle 30 degree, we are considering angle 30 degree. Here 30 degree is here. So this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. For this angle 30 degree, this is the adjacent side, this is the opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse. So sin 30 degree is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side means A. By hypotenuse is 2A. We can get A and A, answer is 1 by 2. So sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side for angle 30 degree, adjacent side is root 3a by hypotenuse is 2a. Cut a and a, we got root 3 by 2. Then tan 30 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Therefore, a by root 3a. We can get a and a, we got 1 by root 3. So we got tan 30 is equal to 1 by 3. So sin 30, we are considering angle 30 degree. So this is the opposite side and this is adjacent side. Therefore this is the hypotenuse. So opposite side by hypotenuse 1 a by 2a 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, tan 30 1 by root 3. Therefore cosec 30 is equal to, what do we make cosec 30? 1 by 2 reverse 2 by 1, that is answer is 2. Sec 30 reverse of cos 30 or reciprocal of cos 30, that is sec 30 is equal to what is the answer? 2 by root 3. And cot 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, reciprocal of 1 by root 3, root 3. So we have studied the trigonometric ratios of angle 30 degree and 60 degree. So these are the trigonometric ratios of angle 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So cosec 30 is equal to 2. Sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. And cot 30 is equal to root 3. Now we can discuss trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. We have studied 45 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree. Now 0 degree. So this is a right triangle. This is angle A, this is B and this is C. Angle 0 means this angle is changed into 0. This is angle. So when this angle will become the same itself. This side will become reduced into the same side itself. So this side become equal. So that means opposite side is going to be 0. So we know that sin 0, that is angle 0 means there will be no angle. So the opposite side will join in the same initial side. Okay. So sin 0 means opposite side by hypotenuse. So sin 0 is 0 and cos 0. Cos 0 is these two sides will be in equal. Therefore, opposite side by adjacent side. So you have to study cos 0 is both are equal. Therefore, that will become adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. This change into this same initial line. Therefore, both are equal. Therefore, cos 0 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Both are equal. So, cos 0 is equal to 1. Sin 0 is equal to 0 because this hypotenuse is is changed into the angle going to be 0. Therefore, sine 0 will become 0 and cos 0 is equal to 1. And tan 0 is equal to sine 0 by cos 0. Sine 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. 0 by 1. Answer is also 0. So, sine 0 is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1 and tan 0 is equal to 0. In case of 90 degree, in other words, cosec 0 is reciprocal of sine 0. Cosec 0 is the reciprocal of sine 0. That means 1 by 0. That is not defined. So, cosec 0 is not defined. Sec 0. So, cos 0 is 1. Therefore, sec 0 is equal to 1 by 1. And tan 0 is equal to 0. Cot 0. 1 by 0 is also not defined. Therefore, cot 0 is not defined. So, this angle going to be 0 means this hypotenuse becomes the initial line. Therefore, we got sine 0, opposite side becomes 0. Therefore, we got sine 0 as 0, cos 0 as 1. Tan 0 means sine 0 by cos 0. That is 0 by 1. Answer is 0. Cosec 0 is the reciprocal of sine 0, so not defined. Sec 0 is 1 and cot 0 is not defined. Now we are going to consider 90 degree. This angle will become 90 degree means this is triangle. 90 degree means this angle become triangle ABC is going to be 90 degree. That means you have to study 90 degree angles also. Sine 90 degree and cos 90 degree, tan 90 degree. Sine 90 degree means sine 90 degree is 1 and cos 90 degree is 0. Cos 90 degree is 0. Then tan 90 degree is equal to 1 by 0, not defined. So, no need to study the proof. You have to by heart the values of sine 90 degree, cos 90 degree and tan 90 degree. Like that, sine 0 is 0, but sine 90 degree is 1. Cos 90 is 0, but cot 0 is 1. Tan 90 is not defined because sine 90 by cos 90 is tan 90. Therefore, that is not defined. So, sine 90 1, cosec 90 also 1. Cos 90 0, sec 90 1 by 0, not, so 90 not defined. And tan 90 is not defined. So, cot 90 is 0. Cot 90 is 0. You have to study these results. Sin 90 degree is equal to 1, cos 90 degree equal to 0, tan 90 is equal to not defined. Okay. So, let us summarize what we have discussed. So, we have 6 trigonometric ratios. We are going to write. We have 6 sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So we have angle A 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So we are going to write sine 0. Sine 0 we have studied. Sine 0 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. Tan 0 is also 0 by 1 0. Sin 30 is we have studied 1 by 2. Cos 30 sin 30 1 by 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 and sin 90 1. So, sin 0, 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2 and sin 90 1. Cos 0, 1. So, first we write sin, then we can easily write cos. Just reverse of sin is cos. So, sin 0, 1, sin 30 that is root 3 by 2, sin 45, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, and cos 90 0. Tan 0 is 0 by 1 0, then tan 30. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3, and tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3, and tan 90. Tan 90 is not defined. Next, cosec 0. Reciprocal of sin 0, 1 by 0, not defined. 1 by division by 0 is not defined. So cosec 0, not defined. Then cosec 30, 1 by 2, reciprocal 2. Cosec 45, root 2. Cosec 60, 2 by root 3. Cosec 90, 1. Sec 0, reciprocal of 1, that is 1. Sec 30, that is 2 by root 3. Then sec 45 root 2, and sec 60 2, and sec 90 reciprocal of 1 by 0, which means not defined. Then cot 0. Cot 0 reciprocal of 1 by 0, that is not defined. Cot 30 reciprocal of tan 30, that is root 3, and reciprocal of tan 45, cot 45, that is also 1. Then 60 degree 1 by root 3, and cot 90 is 0, and cot 90 is 0. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios of angle 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degree. So you have to study all these trigonometric ratios of angle 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. In some examinations, the proof of 30 degree and 60 degree were asked, so you have to study the proofs of 30 degree and 60 degree, also 45 degree. So you have to study these trigonometric values very well, then you can easily do the problems.